Hi and welcome to Glada Flisbilen. In this episode will be about the hydraulics, and we're going to look at this truck, a Scania Woodchip truck with Kilafors constructions. And this is the remote control to control the hydraulics. So with this button we start the hydraulic functions, and now we're opening the top cover on the truck and opening the side on the truck and tipping the cargo space on the truck. And now we're shifting to the trailer and open top cover and open the side hatch, and now we'll be tipping the trailer. And as you can see, the construction is very much on the side of the truck, but there's no risk to flip over the truck because the construction is very light. The walls are very thin, so it's no problem. So now we're folding down the tipping, and let's walk around to look, closing the side hatch. You will see the lock also closing on the truck, and now on the trailer we are closing the side hatch and the locks, and now covering the top cover. And also on the trailer we will close the top cover. And then we're going to look behind. Here is some ladders you can climb on the construction, and it's also possible to remove the ladders so you can use them elsewhere. But this is it for today. Thank you so much, and see you next time.